Today we are going to cook pork igado. Pork igado is one of the dishes that I like to cook and eat. I learned how to make this or how to cook this from my Auntie Tasing. So let's begin. Our ingredients are garlic, onions, lemon, potatoes, red bell pepper, fresh bay leaves, just because they are available in the market. Otherwise, dry bay leaves are good also. Green peas and raisins. Our meat is pork picnic, and this is about 1.5 to 2 pounds, I believe. So, okay, those are our ingredients.
Ang daming gamit nito.
Your hammer.
Ang dami niyang gamit.
Because, okay, we are going to prepare our ingredients. First, the garlic, and as usual, I have my hammer. Next, the onions. And next, we will do the red bell pepper. Then we will peel the potatoes. Then we are ready to cook. We have measured 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Also the squeezed lemon, 3 tablespoons as well. We're going to slice the meat into small pieces, okay? Cut it against the grain, kind of like crosswise. We're going to put the meat first, the onions and the garlic together, the soy sauce, the squeezed lemon, so we have here a mixture of the meat, the garlic and onions, soy sauce and lemon, and the bay leaves, and it's on high now. And then we are going to put a lid. Okay, put the lid. There you go. We'll wait until it gets to a boiling point, and then we will lower the heat. It's already boiling or simmering. We will turn it at this point. We'll turn it to medium low. Let it simmer for maybe about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been about 25-30 minutes that this has been simmering, and it looks like the pork is already tender. Yeah. Then we are going to start adding the potatoes. We can also put the raisins. Then we'll wait about 3 minutes. Put the heat up to medium high. Okay, let's check. It's been about 3 minutes. So we can put the bell pepper, the frozen green peas, and then we will let it simmer for another 2 minutes, and it should be done. I'll add a little bit of chicken broth because I want more sauce. I want sauce on my rice, so that should be good. Yeah, it's been 5 minutes since we put the rest of the vegetables. It's a little bit low on salt or soy sauce, but at this point maybe we can just add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. And it's done. Okay, now we are done with our pork igado. It's done. Kain na!